Samsung just accidentally leaked the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6. That's right, Samsung posted official images of these devices, although they were later removed. We are actually talking about the Samsung Kazakhstan page, so it seems to be a particular error by someone who was in fact tinkering with their computer. Indeed. Since these are official images, I'm not sure I can keep showing them for much longer, but they are appearing on your screen. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is confirmed to have a design with much more squared-off corners, unlike the current generation, which has more rounded lines. Additionally, the camera module also seems to slightly change its design, indeed slightly abandoning the silver frame it had in the previous version and opting for a much thicker black bezel than past generations. It seems that these cameras have increased in size, giving hope that Samsung might integrate higher quality sensors, larger sensors, or improve the camera apertures. However, rumors suggest that there won't be significant changes in that regard. More than just the design you're seeing in these images, you can also notice the straight edges, making it look very similar to the Galaxy S Ultra. On the other hand, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 would indeed also increase the size of its cameras and now have a contour with a color slightly similar to that of its frames. So I would put a lot of emphasis on the presence of these cameras, which in the previous generation tried to be more discreet with a much more subdued bezel, but I would keep this folder-like design for the outer screen. With this image, we could also somehow confirm that there definitely won't be a version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, at least for now, because otherwise it would indeed say Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and in this image it only reads Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. So the idea of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra indeed seems to be fading away. The novice leaker Crossrow recently reported, for example, that the Galaxy Watch Ultra, which was expected to be unveiled in the next pack, has actually been delayed until the following year. So it is indeed likely that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra has also been postponed, and we hopefully hope it will ultimately arrive with this 6th iteration and not be delayed until the 7th for us to see it. But let me know in the comments what you think of these Samsung images. What do you think about the designs these devices might have? Although a leak is not a presentation, it seems that this image, being a self-leak, could indeed be very accurate.